Today the chapter which I am going to start now is crop production and management for class 8. Before going to start the chapter, I would like to tell everybody about the topics we will cover in these chapters are: the topic is basic terminology, crops, types of crops, agriculture practices, agricultural implements, manures and fertilizers, irrigation, crop protection, and the last topic is animal husbandry. Basic terminology. Let us discuss some basic terms. The first topic is agriculture. This is a process of growing crops on a larger scale. You can also say it is the practice of producing and cultivating of crops on a larger scale. Like a plant which is grown in a pot at home is not said to be agriculture. Horticulture. It is a process of growing fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. What are crops? The plants which are grown in large number to get useful products by men is said to be crops. Types of crops. There are different types of crops which are as follows: Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops. These are the crops grown in rainy season during the month of June to October. They are also known as summer or monsoon crop. Seeds of these crops are sown in the beginning of the monsoon season. They are harvested by September or October. For example, maize, sugarcane, soybean, groundnut, and paddy. Rabi crops. These crops are sown in winter, that is between November and December. These are known as winter crops. These crops are harvested in March or April. For example, wheat, barley. These crops require less water to grow. Now, the next topic is agriculture practices. There are different practices which are used, and these are as follows. The first practice is preparation of soil. Second one is sowing of seeds. Apply manures and fertilizers, irrigation, weeding, protection of crops, harvesting, threshing and winnowing, and storage. Preparation of soil. This is the most important practice of the agriculture. It involves plowing, leveling, and manuring. Plowing is defined as turning and loosening of soil with a plow. Advantages of plowing. It helps in the penetration of roots deeply. Soil gets loose by plowing and therefore air can pass through it. So we can say that it aerates the root. It is helpful in removing unwanted plants or weeds. It is helpful in mixing or upturning of soil, and it is also helpful in the destroying harmful organisms.